She gonna go through here big. This is dropping a whole road block up in a man. Watch out. What? A little shed. Here rain, man. It's just a little shed. And it now move. And after hurricane, me I come back and video this. And show you say it's still there, so. Watch and see if I joke. You know, mark me ready now. And here there underneath the big guango tree. So, mark me ready. We come back and look on this here to see if it's still there, so strong. And see the lilies I rock the boat. I rock the boat wicked. Watch it. I might still thing, man. Yo! That look like a GS. Jaja no. No. Can't even try to dry it out of the way. So watch your smart. When you post it, just come off in a man. All of this one just drop down.
What kind of word?
Eh? I don't know wonder if it can move. You see me I tell them say, them I say container house no hurricane friendly.
Yeah.
So them are there so. And now move. Not even zinc them no move. Eh?
Build firm.
Build firm. So me I say me never see one container shop there and bar everything. And me never see one container shop blow away yet.
Yeah, that now, man.
So me would have spent money and buy a container house. And I say, see a elder here, you know what I mean? I say we do some Jamaica walk by, you see me? I show you massive them walk go on and thing and they don't pray. But you're good, are you alright? That is it, my guidance, and be safe on the ground, hear that? So I go down and say, go see if the road are black up. So people them can say, heart of love, respect. My boy carry there. Right in there, so it's too much tree, we not park it there, you know? Good tree. And sit there. Got debris there in the road already, and the G car there right down there, so with all of them a tree here. Watch out, light wire and them thing there. They are grown already, brother. There. You know say the banana tree them a go gone already. My boy banana tree them bite the dust. Rock stone, watch out. Yo, so a plant man, some big and a plant up on it too, man. It's not gonna hold it down. It's not gonna hold it down, tiger bone, but I try to cover him back little. Here. That's well tighter than this. It a blow up already, the tiger. I one and me I use. One of them can tuck the sea. Hold on there. Hold on there, massive. That's what I'm going there. You see me help out tiger bone there. See me can tie one part, huh? Yeah. A root. And I like to sit and broke off in a thing root out from the root. Watch out. Man, I'll overtake. Watch out. Go through, go through, go through. Yeah, man, hey, rain a drop in a Jason.
Different vibes.
Jason, by 11 o'clock, a different vibes. You hear my face? So, early, you know, we just show the front part of it. Woyoy! Woyoy, massive. Jesus and peace, the storm is here. This has to be Melissa right now, brother. The whole place a blow down. Right now, me a peep out, you know. I tell you. I'm up on the upstairs and I tell you, so we breeze and thing, we water the boat, you know, massive. This is a place where water run off a road. Oh my God. Touch the people them right now, Father God, me I pray for them. The upstairs and I live on a little hill and I not flood out nor nothing. But a bare breeze, yeah. Me give thanks to you, look water we are blowing underneath the window them. So we just have some towel and them thing they're going to wipe them up at the window them and a squeak ring out and I put back. But one people them we can't go do that, Father God. Look them man. Rain like whoa, all them people them and hold up a beer. Gutters, Church Pen, downtown Kingston, Sea View. The people them will live near water bed, river bed, massive, me I tell you. Jaja know, it's serious. Mountain view massive. Boy, me I open a hole tight, you know. You understand? Water like wow. Massive, me I tell you say about a hour no water does a pour straight. Crazy water straight. Water straight. Breeze straight. Lord have mercy. Right now we not get it hard, you know, massive, and me I tell you say it look good. Imagine old Ababy right now. Old Ababy mash up from yesterday. You understand? And imagine now that we are get the whole heap of water and all of them sitting there. Imagine down all of a beer. I go try see in the morning if we can make it out. We go see what going down there. See if the people they move to higher ground. See if the people they move out of flood prone area. Even around a Cameron family them, Lord God. Dream team, I open on a debout, you know, I open a gun out, you know. Yo, massive me there, I just keep on posted and I'm gonna see what going on. It is now 12:48 a.m. Tuesday morning. Them said the storm, so the hurricane supposed to reach here by 8 a.m. in the morning, but by looks of things, it there already. Look good, you know, can't see what going down there, so massive. The breeze are sing everywhere. Me I see me can bring it up on the back of the house, me can see what going on when it comes onto the trees them. Cause around us are mostly house and things, so you don't know it's a mask off the breeze and thing, but yo, it don't look good. This is the back of my yard. Breeze, everything. Tree them a buff of the light. Yo, trust me, I don't sleep last night, massive. Cause like the whole out I do a tear down. Just stairs right today. At last I know I try to see what going on, and I telling them say not much rain right now, but crazy breeze. You know my voice come like I'm super tired, but me I have some issue where the water blowing through the window them, like underneath the window screeches. For some reason I don't know how that, but it happened, and that beat me last night, massive. Whoa, crazy, you know, man. Yo, when I tell you how to do a mash up in a brother, look there. Yo, Clarendon. So I'm just going to go update as we're there in the morning. Barely I get to doze off and wake up every minute to try ring out the clock them we have at the window, so that's, you know, the place not flood out. You see me? But yeah, I'm sure know what I'm going out to do. Now look at what I'm going. Watch out. See? Last night rainfall hard, the whole road full up with water. This morning, you know, really see no water, you know. But breeze. Everything a dance. Yo. You have it there, you know. Jaja know. Yo, rock, stone, zinc. The zinc there now. The zinc can sit there over there, you know. You know, looks like some people are going good. Watch out. When I hear them maybe in there, watch out. Trees everywhere dancing, man. Jaja. Look see what I'm going. Yeah, massive, me there. And we are wall out. We are wall out with Melissa. Melissa not normal. We are wall out. Eh. So, this is what is going on from the back of my house. You know what I mean? You know, this blow down, I never know, say, the window that blow down this year. Because watch, I have a sandbag, and I have a sandbag on top of this, and I still put it on the side. But right now, we now go trouble it then, because it seems like I saw it to steer, you know what I mean? But so far, so good. Other than that, everything alright. But this is on the back side of my house, as you can see. The breeze wicked, that blow me off and thing, but I go downstairs, go help out my mother with something. But yeah, a mad thing, man. We just feel it and thing, but I tell you, say, the breeze a blow we down, wicked brother. John, jeez, I can't even walk. Strong, man, let's see what I'm going to answer. Jaja. Yo, it's serious. But yeah, man, we'll make it on the downstairs. We see what I go on. Boy, Melissa come in, wicked. Blow, watch out. Neighbor them ackee tree. Piece side gone already. Jaja and the tree loaded with ackee, you know. I wonder if some of them full still, but we can probably get some of them put on and things so they can open, because you know the chop go. A mad thing. You see that? Jaja, no. Crazy at one part, brother. We make sure cut off the whole I think them off a banana tree, cause you know what that mean. But yeah. And a normal thing I go on higher. Hold on there. So I'm going to help out my mother a little bit with the situation there. We soon move forward. Because we have to monitor ourselves as we are showing what go on the ground. You see me? Probably none of them trees are not go there. Based on how Melissa go on. I tell you now. Yeah, I see a problem you have. Water blowing through window them. Me not tell you, man. Watch out. Yo, me not sleep, you know?
I see the fiancé.
Me say me not see, look here, after 3 me up and look a ring out towel from the window car. It a blow in and that. But you window then see me, I wonder where it a come from. I see it upstairs and my window then new, so he said me can't, me don't know. So this year I go on so far, this year I just want to window this?
No man, that's some.
That's some.
And see back them there, we have to spread out.
Oh, you spread out him at them, I window them and see.
I don't need them wet and soak.
Soak? So you can't ring out them, man. Ain't too tough, man.
No man, I them one day. And
yeah.
And I washroom, you know, the washroom flood out.
Flood out? Jaja, no. So you wipe out in there already? Oh, me him down here did. Yo. May I tell you, brother? Oh, blue over me, I tell you, man. How is tiger bone there?
In the pan, man.
In there did a pan?
In the pan.
I better say, I did a one window do that, you know?
One window.
What you say?
You see?
You don't wipe out?
You see road after my youth.
Yeah.
The window there is wet.
Yeah, then that me I tell you, see, that go on upstairs though. It a blow in.
You know silicone in on outside of my daddy.
I want to tell you, say silicone, you know?
No, not inside, I'm outside. You have to see when somebody you go right.
Say, I don't know why, because you were saying them put in the window there too. Then put it underneath, you know, because I say put it pan the silicone so we know say it's silky. I don't know. Look at my mummy window them. Say, everybody, even my bridging them everywhere, they must say a window beat them way with the water. And a roof, a window them the water blow underneath, man. Ah, that me I say if I that. Yeah. Cause this a deck. I live upstairs deck. Cause so we not in no roof. Yeah. I didn't even look like no water to come from there. Yeah. So you sleep, Tiger?
I'm good, man.
You good?
Yeah.
Me not sleep, you know?
Yeah.
Nah, man, I can't sleep, man. Me try make Lexi them go sleep and thing and me stay up on a monitor while I go on. Yeah. But I road dread, brother. Me see all the tree over town them gone already. Brother, I skirt it on and I don't know every walk me walk it here. Uncle Tony have it too long. Yeah. Every walk me a clip. So, yeah, massive. So, Father Jason. Boy, I'm not going to wait up that day. I go and see what I go on the yard. Oh, you stay? Oh, you stay? The water now blowing your window them. Eh? Jason said no water now blue on the field window them. You better go check the rest of the house. Because just 2 windows me have problem with. Jaja no boy. Well, you lock him, you outside, you see what I go on and I go and see what mommy I did. Because you know I have to check up on moms though. Yeah, bro. Like a weatherman we out here, but I tell us my stepfather is not easy, you know. So we have the storeroom around at the back. The storeroom, the man tied down the storeroom. Jesus Christ. Yeah. The man tied down the storeroom, come on. They said, now make you sick them, no. Hey, Tiger. They said, you tied down you sick them. Yeah. But it look like it's at work.
Yeah,
can't see it there? Yeah. They're still up there.
Yeah, man.
Ja, do you. Yeah. Yeah, that me say we are going to check around us now. So my stepfather said, we not have so much room with a full yard for car. It's in park for him the machine. Rona. We neighbor porch. And sit there. So like a weatherman with there. Yo, Rockstone. Jason. Father Jason. But we outside I see what I go on with the teacher. Active. Yeah. Boy, you know, she say my boy banana tree them gone already, watch it. My boy banana tree them bite the dust. Yes man, hold on there, Jason. So, when me, the body name there, you have to cut off the limb them and sit there. You know what say? The banana tree them are gone already. My boy banana tree them bite the dust. Rockstone, watch out. Yo, so a plant man, some big and a plant upon it too, man. Nobody know over there. You know look so. See there? Banana tree them bite the dust. With a boy I'm tied down, see I'm tied down still in but that no work. Banana tree they are grown with some lovely planting should say. Some lovely planting upon it. Yeah, them is going to be ours. You know what I mean? Thank you my neighbor. Then go on a fire and look like them are there. But you don't know a thing go. We outside. Up there through Hurricane Melissa in a Clarendon. Whole heap of breeze, not much rain. But the wind is crazy. You see me I say? Yeah man. Whoa. Grandma backyard look like it a run through grandma. Yo. I know we don't reach it and the place a blow down. Me not sleep, you know teacher? Me not sleep, brother. Me up and go and see what I go on and make sure because we have some little window problem where the water blow on the window. I like how them do this. I realize that the window actually they behind a little high up thing there. Yeah, that is good. I saw me I got the whole of my window them going forward. Put it down and put one little slope. So they run down and come right as and run under the window. That's how you're good, eh? Yeah, only one window rain run under, you see me? Yeah. But massive with there man, no joke, no doubt, bro. Yeah. I see what I go around the front to Uncle Tony car and forwards, eh?
Yeah man.
Yeah. We're there. We are showing you what I go on. Ah, Tiger bone, the machine good. The machine good, Tiger. Yeah. The machine, you know, loving beast. See him tight down. Sample man, you know. Yeah, tied down, but nothing, this is not tied down, nothing, you know, and then we can fix it for you. You have this now go hold in my boss, my father. This now go hold it at all. But you don't know. I saw him tight down. See me can go and dry it through. Any idea my stepfather, he might go and secure him thing and I love him care, you know what I mean? She say, I did him did though, but it's not go hold it down. now go hold it down tiger bone, but I try to cover him back little. See ya. That's well tighter than this. It a blow up already, the tiger. I one on me I use, one of them can tuck the seal. Hold on there. Hold on there, massive. That's what I go on there. You see me help out tiger bone there. See me can tie one part. Yeah. But that's how you go, you know. Each one help one. You get a little tie right or something. If that can hold it down a little bit as you draw down the other side. Right, man. Yeah. That one is short, we can't go tie from that side, yeah? And think although hold them tiger bone, the beast alright. We out here. Look in the sky. And then say no reach fully yet. And the whole place a blow down, brother. Glad to we live in a area where there's not much trees and things, but yeah. Now we raincoat. Because this is the way feet, isn't it? Yeah, man. Oh, yo, so much of me make sure so I stay safe. Even though I'm singing out here, so I'm still safe and thing. And I go and do it, so. Yeah, I go walk the other side and go around to see what I go on out there on the road and I just go back in. You see me? Yeah, man, I'm mad sitting there, man. Let's go. Yeah, massive. Hurricane Melissa rock the place, boy. Yeah. So the storm they right out at sea, so why fire? What you say? The hurricane is a scam right now, we can't even walk. Your breeze are move wicked. Fire did say hurricane is a scam and the hurricane now come nothing. Why fire? As I said, tomorrow forward and nothing. A scam? Well, today is the day. And it look like it there. Some people here drive out, go up on the road and think I hope them be safe out there. Right. You know, look good. I don't even know if the road them black already. But yeah. It's always stay up on my side, I don't know. Oh yeah. Yeah. So enough people are hold up. I wonder how down a tub are going. Yeah. And I'm a bridging, I don't know. And I'm a bridging seems alright. Yeah. See all pups there. Yeah. Pups they're good. What? There's an update before the storm, the real problem, because trust me, she there. She there. But normally a problem with that put them change out, put on big concrete one and thing. Yo, one thing I realize, a lot of persons in this era, them take the storm seriously, you know what I mean? Then do them extra precaution. Yo, the breeze is blowing, man. So she normally a problem, water blowing from the veranda and running. She make sure zinc it up, shield off the water. You know what I mean? Yo, I'm gonna hope them power line and hold up in and nobody out to the current, you know, and thing. Jaja know. Trees them a dance, trees them a rock. Let's go around the road a little bit. Yo. Hurricane Melissa. No, my boy not afraid. My boy carried it right in there, so it's too much tree. We not park it there, no? The tree. And see, there debris there. In the road already. And the G car they right down there so with all of them a tree here. Watch out light wire and them thing there. They are ground already, brother. Georgia know. Most of them posters I say them new. You see me? So them switch the power line to the other side with some more sturdy posts and thing. I like the work there with them going with. So far we have current and all of them thing there. You see me? Yo, I think I want Kiara come behind me a while ago now. I realize it. And the breeze a blow saying and singing. Watch it. Yeah. Oh yeah. Down in the river, I say. Yeah, man, water chunk down at the gully. Mind I know, get off the water off the ends so the thing clear so we can see. Hockey tree down there flat, you know, man. Watch it. Lay down flat. Yeah. So far, people them are wall up, you don't know. Georgia no. Massively out here at night, you're sure. No? Breeze crazy, but you don't know. I can't run up on the road, just I see. Just outside of my place. You see how things look. Whole heap of debris on the road and them thing there. Boy, oh. No joke. Rastaman ends a Georgia no be a debris everywhere. Rastaman ends. Are we down to the block? That means the dunks on a block. Car pass. Wait, then somebody pillow this. Reach so far. This a tree are completely root out, you know, man. Them type of wind you there in Clarendon, you know. The tree are completely root out, you know. From the root. And I like to sit and broke off in anything root out from the root. Watch out. From the root. Level down. Some of the farms this and I can say a cassava tree or something. No joke, massive. Clarendon. I get a whole heap of breeze. But people up on the road, man, people are driving and sit on. See all the van here forward. All the van here. Massive. Man, all the overtake. Watch out. Go through, go through, go through. People on the road not itching. Not itching. Man, I see that, bro. Oh, look. Oh, look. Georgia know boy, we see what going on and try to show people how you look, you know? Alright, man. Butter there, boat. A butter there. Oh, a mad thing, man. Loads and skirt. Yeah. I saw you look them side there now, man, it's crazy. Yeah, man. Alright. Bear with me, I go up the road. Go up the road and then we go through one part, I'm gonna see what I go on. I feel like a whole heap of things should have done to them things, you know, man. Them trees should have cut down and free up from the light for a long time and think I see enough tree where should have cut down and them not do none of them preparation there. That side there, you see me? I don't even know why. But breeze like, wow. So I know enough on the probably I say, yo, remember your safety? Yeah man, I remember my safety is first. You understand? And they say, anyhow, you get wicked on this and I know seminar and there, but we are trying to catch the pre-run if you see what I go on and thing. Hopefully that power washer still standing because I recently them put it up, you know. There are tree up there, so they are grown already. Now I can't need to go and go tree, because watch out a rock. So you know we not play with a ground. Come on, people them yard, man. Mad. Hey, that's why I not put so much tree and sitting in my yard, you know, brother. I want a big tree. So go and go tree is big. Because drop on the whole road block up in a man. What's that? What? Yeah. Alright, we're not talking about the Chinese house them and sit there. Everybody has said, boy, Chinese house them this and the Chinese house them that. So, look on them, and I see them are still standing. And I see them are still standing, watch it. And I see them are still standing. And Chinese house, when I worry about say, I go, no hurricane friendly. Look on that, the shed there. And it's still standing, look on the shed. And it still stand up through Hurricane Melissa. Eh? And look on the container, I never see a container blow away yet. I never see it. Anybody will see a container blow away want to tell me about it, but I've never seen a container blow away. You understand? So this is a container here. They are straight, planted. And see, one shed there. And that there. Still dead through hurricane. You think the container house are going to blow away? You cannot now do it. Container house strong. You see me I say? Chang. I'm just want to see right up there. And thing, you see me? No doubt, no joke, man. You hear me? Look good. Alright. But see, look up on that, the little, it's a board bathroom that. Board bathroom that, and see they stand up strong. When all three are tear down, that up. Strong. This is just a little shed. You hear rain, man? This is just a little shed. And it now move. And after hurricane, I come back and video this. And show you say it's still there, so. Watch and see if I joke. You know, mark me ready now. And here there underneath the big guango tree. So, mark me ready. We'll come back and look on this here to see if it's still there as a strap. And see the Nellis I rock the boat. I rock the boat wicked. Watch it. A mad same thing, man. Yo! That look like a GS. So see shed here. No mark it, you know. Mark the shed. You see it? Yeah, just see how forward. Couple of people are driving through the road here. I hate, man. But wait, you find a raincoat? Oh, we find a water?
We're going for the big shop.
Yeah, bro, G.
I say, oh, for the side there.
Oh, you see me I tell them, say, them I say container house no hurricane friendly.
Yeah.
So them are there so. And now move. Not even zinc them no move. Eh?
Build firm.
Build firm. So me I say me never see one container shop there and bar everything, and me never see one container shop blow away yet.
Yeah, that now, man.
So me would have spent the money and buy a container house. Because me know say now gonna wait. For you put down that firm, me G.
Good.
Yeah, that's a Rosal Sandy Bay. Over there, you see me and say, look what I go on. Rain a champion now like a trumpet, eh? Yeah. So you know water catch for the lens couple times and sitting out. And I'm nothing too tough. See all that lady here, whole heap of banana tree and thing. Banana tree, them a level pipe. Whole heap of coconut palm tree said speed. Yeah. A mad thing. I wouldn't know some people that you say. Oh, think of some other people. Yes, see water you chump now off the road like a muffler. Yeah man. Is that Jason don't sleep last night, my brother? No sir. Sleep and wake and play a game. With the, oh, your game up on PSD?
Yeah.
Oh, because we are currently go every minute more while I couldn't bother. But I have a PC unit on the computer, I go and do some editing and sit. Big up to all my Jamaica walk by massive and all of them people there who watch the video them. No joke, no doubt. So right now about what? About after 8 now in the morning?
Round so I got to 9.
I go to 9?
Yeah.
Alright, so after 8 I go to 9. Yeah. Don't mind, that I go clear up quick. Let's get rid of water for the screen. Yeah bro. So up here so you know them call up as a pen harbor. So right now with a pen harbor. You see? Me say vehicle I drive through, so that means up there on a block.
No sir. Well depends on where they come from too.
Oh well, depends on where they come from to true. Hold on there, may I ask them go back! Man that beard me! Yeah! Bro, the man just beard me dog! The man not top bro! So you know that go. Yo! The man just beard me! Yo! So this is a pen harbor. You know, so up here somebody want to walk through and go back on the scheme.
Oh, to right there, sir?
Yeah, through up there, so, that lane there. But I wonder if we can just go on and go around to see how water stay around, so.
Oh,
up there, so we always block. Yeah.
Yeah, man,
Massive, I tell you, man. Water run, you know. Yeah, man. Jaja. Mr. Jason water blowing on the window, so. A crazy,
Holy water?
Yeah, man, water blow up, not really holy, but it a fully towel them.
Oh, yeah, towel them soak.
Yeah, towel them soak, so. We have to end up. I go and sit there. Ring them out and all of them things. So yeah, I say we go out so we just walk through here, so.
Yeah, and cut tree, come on.
And cut tree, come on, and sit there. Yeah, massive. Stay tuned, go up look more on the road there. And see, because you have a road that side that normally flood out and block. So we are see if we can reach to up there, so the road normally block and flood with water. More likely we feel like it a block up here now too, you know.
Probably.
Yeah, cause it don't take a lot for this so block up and thing, you see me?
Probably block up too, but you just pass it in our way.
All of that. You see me? And tell them man people look at you how go on, brother. Alright, massive. We are going to walk. Yeah. Yo, family, I found out walk from. We find out if you run some block up. The road block up yet? Be around the water around there.
You can't drive.
Blouse and skirt. So, what me think on a YouTube or something, so they just walk brawling in the night, no business about nothing. Yeah. No, we don't go live, but we go and see what go on.
Oh, DJ.
Yeah? Big up and respect, man. No joke, my bro. Jamaica walk by. Yeah. I mean, man, you see it? Big up my teacher. Safety on the ground here. Mad. See them? All of them shops make out of wood and board. And I'm sure say they turn up firm. And one little piece of zinc on the end side dangling now. You understand? Look good. I mean, I tell us that invest now in a Chinese house. That now move. Yo, look them man. We're outside in the rain. Melissa forward. But a quick update before we jump back in because it'll get serious. It'll get serious. And I see what go on. Yo, what he's still done for 3 dog? Yo. Lucky. Yo, I saw a video with a man tied down in his thing that.
Oh, yeah. I think
yeah, the man tied down in mango tree, brother. Yeah, the breeze a sing. See the next container there. That now move. Remember me tell you now. Try invest in a container house, yeah? I mean, heavy rain now. See there? Container again. Look how that one is firm. In a mudge. Now mudge. Watch it. Now move.
next one there.
Look on the place. Rain a jump hard. Look there. Firm. Look on the container there, them firm. Firm. Nah budge. And look on the breeze. Look there, look there, look there, look there, look there. And look there. Look on the breeze. Not no move. Yeah, bro. And a joke thing. So that place I call Pen Harbor. This is water here, this is water here, go. I mean, what's the trouble around here now? That boy come hard. Beard way, watch out. Watch out. You're not afraid of my jump plane. Come on, move. Well, me and you don't know him situation still, why must I move so fast, not true? Must I say, he no far me I go. I'm not reach nowhere yet. You should have left my yes. Yeah. I'm not too much. Yeah. Hey, and next thing, me I worry about my vehicle. But my vehicle good, man. Because in under no shed. See what if I carry we sell and then under no shed. I sell them I carry and sell and then under in the shed. Yeah, them good, man. No, brother from over that side there. Same thing. You good yet? That is it, boy, you hold up. Well, button up and thing. We there show what I go on and I know. Yeah. You're not afraid of camera? Me I say you're not afraid of camera. Jamaica walk by, we just go and show what I go on, you know? Yeah, hold on. And I say, see a elder here, you know what I mean? I say we do some Jamaica walk by, you see me? I show you massive them what go on and thing and they don't pray. But you're good, are you alright? That is it, man, guidance and be safe on the ground, hear that? So I go down and say, go see if you play the road and black up. So people them can say, heart of love, respect. Yeah, man. Cook container, none of them now move. I never see one blow down yet. So man. Yeah, that's okay. Yo. I saw you look, you don't know. Everywhere you see a container in Jamaica, you know, and them firm, them not move, them not leak. Come on, say we are going right round this, sir. Blow away and blow away. I can walk and I leave. Yeah, but see, you know we dog. No matter how serious it be about time, we find a little laughter. You know, here we all in a Gilbert loving there say, why Gilbert? Why? You don't know water come in my room. Me sweep out some with the broom. The little dog laugh, we see such fun, and the dish run away with the spoon. Hey, who no see me dish, who no see me dish, who no see me satellite, the dish, who no see me dish, who no see me dish, who no see me satellite, the dish. What the man say? You see me do TV, a Gilbert give it, see me do stereo, a Gilbert give it. I say, man, wow, we still outside, bossy, we still, all our vibes here, we not, yeah. You know, lame up yourself regardless of how bad the situation be. You know what I mean? It is upon us, and you know we pray same speed and keep a nice devotion and thing, my friend. The protection over not just we but everybody. You see me I say? Yes man. So you see all of them water here run right round the side and go pile up. Yes, higher. Yeah, man, hey, rain a drop in a Jason.
Different vibes.
Yes, by 11 o'clock, a different vibes. Yeah, man, so we early, you know, we just showing the front part of it. Yoy! Yeah! You can walk and lean back in the man. Marty, heel! Okay, boy! Where's the one? Everything good? Not a code, my boss! Don't go around the corner here! You see? Regardless, we give them still cool and we keep high spirit, same speed. Yeah. That's what I say rain a drop here. Now you're bingy. Whoa. Yeah man, it pass every man, you know, full up your Jason at all. So people can pass. People can pass good. So massive, alright, that's a problem there. You understand? Then do whole heap of work on the drain still. See, water fall from everywhere. I go right down here, so. You see it? So, you know, here's the problem here, the problem zone. Where always black. When the black reach way up on them part. So you know, so down here so deep, no vehicle, no bother chance it. Yes, sir? So, the gully. Charlie's a tree and root up. You want to go on there? Root up. Oh, yeah, massive. Huh? So, yeah. Water gone a gully. Look at, hey, all them people will live right here, so bro. Why, me I tell you?
Oh, them good.
Them good, yes? The water, me never normally see water up on them too much, but it normally dead.
Yeah, and the rain stop the runoff.
As the rain stop the runoff, though.
Yes,
So them here stay. But you don't realize there's a different channel the water take, brother. Water run off from up there, so.
No, but right, under
Yeah, that me I say, man. Watch out now. See what I go on now. Look here. See that?
Whole heap of water there today, man.
Whole heap of water, you hear that? Make gonna see it good. Yeah, man, watch it. Water like whoa. Gully a roar. A roar, brother. See it? You know we have to be careful, we not really pray no hero. But look what go on. Water trump out. Yes, it's gonna be a problem, but so far water run nice still. No joke, no doubt. Yeah, man. Yeah, Jason. Away that. Right back into one Mexico part there. But we are going to show now. But yeah, right that's a problem for Rona. So I'm glad to say no black. But make you see what go on as the place get later, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, massive. I saw we are this. Yeah. So, we are head back on the scheme, you know, because then say, you know what the thing with me today? Then say 8 o'clock this morning to go reach. And the time keep on about, so the storm come like it has slow down. So when it reach, I don't know how when it go pass way, and when that go left way. Yo, tell them place there. Watch the breeze. Can't walk. Yeah, Basil. So I make it back on the skin. So this is just an update. To show now. Show now what go on. We have to go fight it through. Whole heap of breeze, shade speed. But you massive, if you don't keep watching, we're going to make it back down on the ends and things. So we're cut it right so until we reach further down, but we'll go through the common and thing. We go back on the scheme. You see me I say? Yeah, massive. We're outside the show now showing a weather report like a weatherman. So we can classify today as a freelance weatherman.
Freelance.
Yeah, we are freelance weatherman today. You understand? Jamaica weather by. Yeah, Jamaica weather by. So, yeah man, it's dread out here. But we are showing what go on. I like people them are foreign and say just be safe. But they want to see what go on and they want to see it clean and pretty. You see it? Woo! So I make it cheap. Oh, Jamaica! Woo! It's so cool! So fire, how you hold up? Oh, it's a skirt. The wicked, you hold up good? Yeah man, big up and say, you rock, but I can rock the boat, you alright? How water down there?
Alright.
You alright? Gloves and skirt, big up and respect, you see me? Yeah, take it easy.
I'm going to rip on TV. What are you doing, my yacht?
You're up on TV today we are reason, you see me? Yeah, oh you're on the rain?
Why? It's nice.
Is it nice?
We can't complain.
Yeah, dog. Water like what? But I don't see a fall.
No.
We see water jump on.
No.
Yeah.
No. Yo.
Big up yourself, but go and take it easy, yeah? Now go and show people what go on. But the family good though. Beautiful. That's a code, man. Just be safe through the thing and everything I got alright.
Talk to me now.
Yeah, man. So me ask how you think I did, man. And think, but you look like you're alright. I say water nice and the breeze nice, so that's alright to me, you know. And you're out there, so that means you want to see what I go on to the true. You're well prepared for it?
Yeah, well prepared.
You board your board up?
You don't have to board up, because I have everything on that top.
Jaja, no. Yeah. Only problem you face is no water blowing underneath the window.
Yeah, me know that, man.
Yeah, that beat me.
Me work with that, man.
You work with that?
Yeah.
You better than flood out.
What?
You see some people
Are you second that?
Yeah, man, I'm a general that, man.
So,
well, we are easy.
In the rain, you know.
Me and you, man. Straight away apart now.
Big man. What are you foolishness, man?
Yeah. So, big up. Yeah.
you alone a travel. You walk.
Generally, I'm about.
That's it, run back with the high.
No, man, we can't walk in the back of there right now. We walk, we make sure it's safe because we run go back in the dog. Big up a ripper. We link up and so with that. When we come buy food I shop, we must see you. You're there every day.
And what time that I say?
Yeah?
After 9.
After 9. See there? Whole place a blow down.
Yeah, man. See you for.
Yeah, man, big up my family. You don't know Indian. Yeah. Indian say nice, cause Indian a rock. Oh, Indian a rock. Let's go. Yeah. Just a walk through. Walk through, come on. And go up on our side back. Yeah, massive. Rain like whoa. Why Jason, I tell her, see, I'd be at this man, like calm down a little bit and then it just turn back up. Be at this one, dog. Just turn back up. Just as the Jew are. Yeah, man, I hold it for shop up. Man. So, yeah, we just go through the command massive, go back on the scheme. Of people button down and thing. Oh yeah. Thing why I say I couldn't do the button down. You understand? Because bro, if you get rid of little water or something, bro, you can't, you damage the whole of the wall, then you have to go get man to come back on, mix mortar, patch out. Yeah, the house them when I render it, none of them things there. Can get away with it. But you say like our house is fully done, I have to go back up the window. We do it already, bro, on cars. After I get back cement, blouse and skirt, what this now? All of my boy fence gone. All of my boy fence gone and I'm block the road, a little lane road a block. The lane road a block. Root up. Jaja no. Gone. Can't even try to dry it out of the way, so watch a smart, when you post it just come off in a man. Look at this one, just drop down.
What kind of word?
Eh? I don't know wonder if it can move. It can move. Watch your foot. Yeah, okay. Yeah, make it lay down over here. Yeah, lay down over this road, you see me? Oh, go on, blessed. We're there, now hold on. Alright, we're good then. Yeah. That water is settling or something. Yeah, bro, G. Chump. Yeah, some teacher, people are walking train line. People are walking train line forward. Look, I got stuff them I come get. Wash your slippers there. Pay more than that. Yeah, man. Up on the car, man. I walk on the train line. Usually, they just chop it whole lot. You know, chop that train line I go, Jason? And that train line I go right back a container, you know? Yeah. Right a container train line I come out. Then I will chop it out and keep it clean. You see me? But the train no run. But you can then not do it for like a walkway for the people then. Yeah. Alright. I'll go through. So, Melissa ease up a little bit. So that's anybody who want to go shop can go shop. Who anybody who need something else, they can run go get it. And run go back in, like how we are run go back in and yes, me. Yeah. No joke. So So yes, massive. But there, and I try to make it back in. We take a little shortcut. When you always say shortcut draw blood. But none now draw today, that I tell you the truth though. So we're up on a road track. A dirt track should say. I go back on the scheme. Walk through common and thing. But yeah, massive. I hope everybody stays safe. As you can see, we're safe for good. We try our best to be safe, just to capture what go on so people them can see what go on from the comfort of them home. Other places in Jamaica and people right across the world can see what go on, you know what I mean? Look forward to more updates as Melissa forward from the island. I think so. It is about after 9 now or so. So they must say the storm expected to really hit the island at 11 a.m. them time there, but realize the storm will get slower and slower because you should have there from 8 o'clock them say. But when my sister that now happen, say I'm going to see what I go on a little bit and them things. So big up to everybody who watch. Please, if you just watch Jamaica Walkby, please subscribe to the channel. Please, I'm asking you. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Then click the notification bell and press all notifications so you'll be notified every time I post a video. See? Yeah man, I mad love, mad respect man. There with the world red coat and thing as we reaching back on the screen. You see? So load up the comment section when me hear no thoughts, when me hear what I want to see. When I water. When me hear what I want to see. Any questions you have, drop them in the comment section. Wait, that's how you always I catch with water, bro. Yeah. So, yeah. Ask the question them what I want to see. And make we reason in the comment section. Nothing wrong with that. All of we are go through Melissa together, you see me? All of we are go through Melissa together, yeah? Two still are going rare, but I may say me a man over that. A mind over matter, you see me? So we are go through. Hey, more while it's stinging at Jason. Yeah, when the water breeze, when the breeze blow water, but then catch a face, man, it sting. You see it? But we are go through on the gum and thing. Yes, man. Big up to all other vloggers, them out there going to show other part of the country as to what going on over there in Portland, Old Harbour Bay, all of them places there. Yeah. Big up to the people them show what going on so people them right across the world can see what going on. Because sometimes when I say, yo, you should have inside and this, that, but yet still now watch the video because we don't want to see what going on. So if we don't go out there go show you know what going on, how we not go see it? Even the man where do it for money, where he work with a TV station or a news station, where he must be out there and report the news so people can see it. Same thing, you see me? No different. You understand? Because of people like we, same one, I gotta do them job there on the TV. It's just that we have our own TV station. You see me I say? Yeah man. So blessings and respect to everybody who watch Jamaica Walkby, man. You understand? Heart of love. Whoa, I want to catch me on my head. So heart of love, blessings and respect to the breeze. I blow with them. But we are going to crumble through same speed. Alright. Stay tuned and watch the rest of the update them. Remember, like the video now, please. Drop a comment in the comment section. Do. And I'm mad thing. Yes, sir. Blow away settings. No, joke that.